So this is how we normally drill through in Power BI, right? So we select a record and we go drill through, right click on it, drill through, and select the pages that we want, right? So in this data set, I have department have multiple project manager working on and all the project manager have multiple projects with actual cost, right? So if I go to the project, drill through by project, it's the normally how it shows up, right? So we have project information for that particular project. I can see cost, manager, and department. But from the main, if I go, say now want to drill through by department, it's going to give me only single record when I know there are multiple record for south. Okay, so if I go to the department, I can see that the project filter is passed automatically. Even if I remove that, I only have department filter over here, right? Now if I go over here, east, and go by department, it's going to give me, automatically passes the filter, project, so on and so on, right? But that's not what I want. I want this one. So there are departments, there are multiple projects on the departments, and there are multiple project manager. And now again, I want to go to drill through an engineer, and I don't want to see just one project for that engineer with one department. If I remove the filters, there are multiple projects under that project manager. So I want something like that, right? So I've already created a report that does that. So I can go east, right, and go department. It's going to give me all the projects for that department. Now I'm going to go select that project manager and go by that project manager, individual engineer, and then it's going to give me all the project for that project manager. Right now again, if I go to project, I can see a single information for that project. Now again, I'm going to go to the department. It's going to give me all the projects under that department. So kind of like a cyclic drill through, right? So this is what we're going to do in this tutorial, and it's going to be very short video, and I'm not going to be wasting your time. So it's the only trick that we going to need in this thing is, let me go back to my old report. So that one, so only thing we need to do is we need to unselect that option over there on the drill through called keep all filters. Okay, so now I have 3 pages, so let me just go over the projects and remove that keep all filters, uncheck that. Okay, so keep that off. Now if I go to the main and go to the east, it's going to give me all the projects for east. Now I'm going to go to the Brandon Stock, drill through by that project engineer. It's going to give me all the list of project for that project engineer. And now I've changed my mind. I want to go to look into the projects on the department south, and it's going to give me all the projects on the south, and I can also again go to the projects to see the individual information. So that's how we can create a very cyclic drill through without any filters and so on. So that's everything for today. That was a very short video. Please do like, subscribe, and support my channel. Thanks everyone, all the 667 subscribers that I have at the moment. Thank you for your support, and I apologize for not getting back to you as quickly as possible. It's end of the year and I've been pretty busy myself, but I'll try to respond to your queries and everything as soon as possible. For today, that's everything. I'll see you next time.